Keep your home protected year-round with professionally installed rain gutters from Orange County Rain Gutters in Tustin. Whether it's a light drizzle or a heavy downpour, your home needs reliable gutter systems to handle the rain. We specialize in custom rain gutter installation that not only works great but complements your home's exterior clogged or damaged gutters. Our expert team offers repairs and maintenance to keep things flowing smoothly. From seamless aluminum to copper and steel, we carry high-quality materials built to last. Protect your foundation, landscaping, and roof from costly water damage with our tailored solution. Our experienced technicians provide clean, efficient service with attention to every detail. We proudly serve homeowners and businesses throughout Tustin and the surrounding Orange County area. And no job is too big or too small. Every project gets our full commitment and expertise. We also offer gutter guards and downspout upgrades to improve performance and reduce maintenance. With over 20 years of experience, we've built a reputation for quality and reliability you can count on. Need a custom color or style? We can match your home's look perfectly for a seamless finish. We stand behind our work with warranties that give you peace of mind for years to come. Customer satisfaction is our top priority, and we always aim to exceed expectations. Get a free estimate today and see how affordable top-quality gutters can be. Call Orange County Rain Gutters at 714-569-9282 or visit orangecountyraingutters.com to get started.